إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف. هذا هو الطيب منهم.
And if you are patient, you will see the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal, which cannot even be counted. So Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah, he also used this verse that Sa'di is mentioning here to say what? Everyone's going to experience moments of pain in life. Everybody. That's inescapable. However, the difference is what? When the believer suffers those moments of pain, they know that it was decreed by Allah. They have iman in al-qadr wal-qadha. Likewise, and they are pleased with what Allah decreed for them. And the lowest level is that they accept it. And they await for the reward of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And ikhwan, just that frame of mind, it allows you to function in life. It allows you to function in life. Again, social media, one of the reasons why many of the children, illa man rahimullah, they can't function. We are finding today many children suffering from anxiety and depression and other things because they do not know how to cope with the challenges of life. They're not in the real world. They're living in a false reality. That's social media. And that takes away from their interactions with the real world. Sa'di continued, he said, they also receive Allah's aid, specific ma'iyyah, witness and help that will banish such frightful situations, meaning for the believers. Allah the Blessed and the Most High, He said, وَاصْبِرُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَ الصَّابِرِينَ. Be patient. Verily Allah is with the patient.